Canva tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva and create amazing designs in just a few minutes. If you're a student, content creator, business owner, or social media manager, Canva can make designing super easy. Let's get started. 1. What is Canva? Canva is a free online graphic design tool that helps you create social media posts, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, logos, posters, resumes, and much more without any design experience. Simply visit Canva and sign in with your Google account. 2. How to create a design. After logging in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose the design type you want, such as Instagram post, presentation, or YouTube thumbnail. Canva provides thousands of ready-made templates. Simply select a template that matches your style. 3. Customize your design. Now you can customize everything, change the text, colors, fonts, images, and icons with just a few clicks. You can also upload your own photos and drag and drop elements anywhere on the design. 4. Download and share. Once your design is ready, click the Share button and then select Download. Choose PNG, JPG, or PDF format and save your design. That's it. Your professional design is ready. I hope this Canva tutorial helped you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva and digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.